Good morning students. Today I am going to explain you about human digestive system, which is also called alimentary canal. These are the different parts of the human digestive system, which consist of number 1 buccal cavity, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum and anus. So firstly we take these are the digestive glands associated with this alimentary canal, which are salivary glands, liver, pancreas and gallbladder, which along with these organs help in we can say digestion of the food. So firstly we move to the buccal cavity. We take the food through the part which is called mouth help in capturing the food, and after mouth the food goes into the buccal cavity. Buccal cavity consists of teeth, saliva and tongue. Teeth help in masticating the food, and saliva is secreted by 3 pairs of glands present in the buccal cavity, which are called salivary glands. This saliva consists of an enzyme called ptyalin enzyme, which help in the digestion of starch. So we can say the digestion of carbohydrate starts in the buccal cavity. After that food moves into the next part, which is called esophagus or food pipe. Here I have shown the esophagus or food pipe. This only help in transferring the food from the buccal cavity to the stomach by the muscular movement, which are called peristaltic movements. Here when food comes into the stomach is a J-shaped organ in human beings. It consists of gastric glands which secrete the gastric juice. Gastric juice consists of hydrochloric acid, mucus and an enzyme pepsin, which help in the digestion of proteins. Hydrochloric acid create acidic condition in the stomach, in the presence of which enzyme convert the proteins into its simpler substances. So we can say in the stomach only the digestion of proteins takes place, and the digestion of carbohydrates started in buccal cavity, and then digestion of proteins occur in the stomach. But still now there is no digestion of fat. After that the food moves into another part of digestive system, which is called small intestine. Small intestine is the largest part of the human alimentary canal. It is about 7.5 meter long. Here it releases the intestinal juice. Along with it, 2 juices come in the small intestine. One juice is pancreatic juice, which come from the pancreas, and second one is the bile juice, which come from the liver. Bile juice consists of certain salts which help in creating alkaline conditions in the small intestine, and in the alkaline conditions all the enzymes which are present in the intestinal juice and the pancreatic juice, they help in the complete digestion of the food. So we can say small intestine is that place where complete digestion of the food take place. After complete digestion of the food, here food goes into the blood through the finger like projection, which are called villi. So this small intestine is also that part of the digestive system where absorption of food take place. Here around it there is large intestine present. This large intestine help in the absorption of water and the removal of undigested food through the part anus. So anus is that part where undigested food is released out. So in this way the complete digestion of food take place in human beings. Thank you.